This tutorial is on how to use the recruitment section of SIS. So this section has changed a bit due to updates. So I'm just going to take you through any changes. So recruitment is right here on your left bar. This is just the main page, it's still the same. Any applications for positions will show up here. So in the top bar, click applications. It'll drop down and click all applications. So as you can see, there are many more sections. So there's new applications, refused, position filled, interview request sent. Many of these right here are new. Like for example, interview missed due to staff, volunteer package signed, orientation and training, SIS invite sent, Google Meet invite sent, settings adjusted. So there are two ways to change a person into a new category. So the first is to drag and drop. I'm just going to put this one right back there. Another thing you could do is click and then click on a new tab to change it. So the first method is drag and drop. And the second one is to click on the specific thing that it goes to. Like for example, if you just scheduled an interview, you would click interview scheduled. Make sure that the application is up to date in the categories. If it's not, it's very confusing for other people to carry out the next steps. So make sure that whenever you've done a step, that you move them on to the next step. If you have any questions, contact the manager of your department or the volunteer department, and they'll kind of assist you with updating the person's application.